Hi lovelies, so we are on part 15. We are halfway done this series. So this is the Be Your Own Resource series, and here's the lovely folder. We have got a lovely page here. This is the guide to top creators to follow from our daily advice and inspiration on YouTube. There is hundreds of amazing creators. But these are some of the ones that specifically pull on my heartstrings and that have really helped me grow a following and that have really inspired me to continue my journey when I thought, oh, this is too much work, this is like exhausting, I don't know if I can start over again. You know, starting over at 30 is really scary sometimes. It doesn't matter even if you're starting over at 20, 40, 50, 60, it can be challenging. And so for me, when I deleted over 2,000 videos, this time it was 1,400 videos, but I did delete 500 or 600 previously. And it's hard because it's hard to let go of those memories and it's hard to let go of those experiences. And so I just wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do that. And I'm glad that I followed these creators and learned that it doesn't matter when you start, it just matters that you keep pushing forward and that you are consistent and that you really put the content out there that you want the world to see. So I'm really excited. There was lots of content I was proud of making in my old channel, but to be honest, I didn't want to be known as a beauty and a fashion creator for the rest of my life. And I just am so glad that I am an educator now, and I feel like this is my true calling. So someday I may show an outfit here or there, but at the same time that's not going to be the majority of the content. So I want to build up about 1,000 videos of education, and then once in a while I might post a video like an outfit of the day or on a vacation or things like that. So I hope you understand, and I look forward to having you around. So basically I have plenty of lists on my Benable of creators that I follow directly if you guys want to go on there. And I'm really excited to tell you about them. So the first one is Katie Steckley. She is a business and a YouTube coach. She has over 227,000 subscribers, probably more now because this was made about a month ago. Similar subs as me, well, I guess about 20,000 less. And shows me my potential. So she showed me what I'm missing out on. Like, she, in the last quarter of her business, has made over $130,000. And she showed me that that I wasn't asking brand sponsorships for enough money. She showed me that I wasn't valuing myself enough as a creator. She also showed me that I need to realize that my content isn't about my body. My body is a vessel of which my content flows through. And if people love my content, my body isn't going to matter. It's going to be the content that really helps other people. And when you're a good person and you help others grow and you help others flourish, you could be any size and people will still love you. So, number 2. Amy Landino. She's a business and a YouTube creator. She has over 420,000 subscribers. She's a productivity guru and a boss babe with an incredible heart. So she has really shown me the ins and outs of being a creator. And like, I think she started her channel when she was in her 30s. I don't think I ever saw her when she was in her 20s. And she talks a lot about being navigating through adult life, navigating through self-development, building a business, and also just like the best productivity apps. I've taken a lot of her courses, and yeah, I just really value her as a mentor. Number 3, Sarah Dietschy. She is a business and a YouTube coach. She has 930K subs. and she's a business savvy entrepreneur with like the best studio ever. So she got me hooked with her tech videos, and she got me hooked with her videos with certain creators where she shows their studios, and she shows she's always redesigning her office, and I have a knack for doing that as well myself. And I've always loved her like little Sarah Dici rhymes with peachy, little cute saying, and she's got a little peach neon sign in her office, and it's just, she's just really inspiring and beautiful. I'm gonna give a few more names just because, yeah, I'll just hold on one second. So on top of those creators, there is Natalie Ellis, who is the founder of, one of the founders of Boss Babe. And there's Modern Millie, who is a YouTube educator, creative entrepreneur who teaches YouTube. And there is Carrie Green, who owns the Female Entrepreneurship Association, which is a membership academy that has tons of different courses on there for self-development. Then there is Catherine Manning, who teaches blogging, YouTube. She also decorates and has a lot of interior design. She's just a really rockin' lady. Then there's Erin May Henry, who creates a vibey lifestyle for entrepreneurs and has been coaching and teaching YouTube for a very long time. Then there's Jessica Stansberry, who actually started over her YouTube channel as well, shortly after I did. And she teaches entrepreneurship and YouTube coaching. You can totally hear my cat, Gary. But then there is Catnip Sticker Studio, who is a business entrepreneur who sells stickers. And she has sold much more than stickers, but she is a stationary business owner who shares everything that there is to do with business. Then Lavender owns a stationary business with mostly planners, and she is just a vibey person who just has the aesthetic that I really like as a person. So those are mainly the female creators that I really look to for. I admire them, and I really am inspired by them. And then I'm going to quickly, because there's a fire alarm going off today, and so I'm just going to give you their names. And yeah, they're basically all YouTube and coaches at some level. So these are the male entrepreneurs that inspire me: Ali Abdul, Joshua Mayo, Galeo Level, Los LeBlanc, Obscurious, Roberto Blake, Project Life Mastery, Tim Koa, Ayman Gadzi, probably saying that so wrong, Unbox Therapy, Joseph Abel, and Mike D. So those are some inspiring creators that I hope that you guys will check out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.